Yawns were considered a sign of genius historically. In 1611, philosopher Gregor d'Amboise wrote that yawning was the brain's way of stretching before an idea. He called it mentis flexura, Latin for mental flexing. Back then, scholars believed a yawn meant your brain was expanding, to make space for thoughts. That's why tutors encouraged students to yawn often and with confidence. In fact, one French boarding school banned students from covering their mouths, calling it intellectual dishonesty. And the most prolific yawner on record, allegedly, Sir Isaac Newton, who was said to yawn 47 times before inventing calculus. Some even claimed the longer the yawn, the more brilliant the insight. By the 18th century, yawns were so respected that portraits of thinkers often included one mid-stretch, to suggest a mind hard at work. It backfired only once, when a yawning statue of Voltaire was mistaken for being bored at his own unveiling. This has been misinformation, and that's why